Welcome to Wellness Wednesday, where we focus on nurturing your body and mind for a happier, healthier you. Today, we're diving into 5 transformative tips that will boost your motivation and energy levels. This isn't just about feeling good for a moment, but about cultivating a lifestyle that radiates wellness from the inside out. Are you ready to embark on a journey towards wellness? To discover the secret to a more energized, motivated you? Great. Let's get started. Our first tip centers around the importance of nutritious eating. Feeding your body with a balanced diet can be the game changer you need. It enhances your overall energy and can kick your motivation into high gear. Think about it, good food equals good mood, right? So what's simmering in your kitchen? What's your go-to healthy dish that keeps you going? Share your recipes with us in the comments below and inspire others to eat well. Exercise not only strengthens your body but also releases endorphins, the feel-good hormones that boost your mood and motivation. Regular physical activity can transform your day, giving you that much-needed energy boost and keeping you motivated. From a brisk walk in the park to a high-intensity interval training session, the possibilities are endless. So what's your favorite way to get moving? Maybe it's a dance class, or perhaps it's a peaceful yoga session. Whichever it is, let us know how you stay active. Mindfulness and relaxation are vital for reducing stress and increasing motivation. It's about finding tranquility in the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Perhaps you find peace in the simple act of sipping a hot cup of tea. Or maybe you prefer a mindful walk in nature or even meditating to the rhythm of your breath. Whatever your method, remember that these moments of serenity are not merely pauses in your day, but fuel for your overall motivation. Share your techniques and let's create a calming atmosphere together. Quality sleep is a game changer for your overall wellness. It's the body's way of recharging and resetting, allowing you to wake up fresh and ready to conquer the day. A good night's sleep goes beyond just getting 8 hours. It's about creating an environment that promotes deep, restful sleep. This could mean using blackout curtains, maintaining a cool room temperature, or incorporating a calming bedtime routine. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Share your sleep tips with our community and help others improve their sleep quality. Lastly, positive social connections are incredibly motivating. They provide a sense of belonging, enhance your self-esteem, and create a positive impact on your mental health. Surrounding yourself with uplifting individuals who inspire you can significantly boost your motivation levels. These might be friends, family, or even mentors. So, who's that person in your life that constantly inspires you? That friend who always has your back, or that family member who never stops believing in you? Tag them in the comments and let them know how much you appreciate their support. There you have it, our top 5 tips for boosting motivation and energy through wellness. Embrace nutritious eating, regular exercise, mindfulness, quality sleep, and positive social connections. Share your wellness journey and tips in the comments. Let's create a community where we encourage and support each other. If you found value in this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content. Thank you for joining us on Wellness Wednesday. Until next time, take care and prioritize your well-being. You deserve it.